Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Imagine sailing a broad-reaching course in high winds and you need to change course to the opposite tack. You can achieve the same goal by tacking instead of jibing. Follow these easy steps. Steady the boat on a broad reach and steer onto a prominent shoreside object. If you're sailing out of sight of land, use the steering compass. Grasp the falls of the mainsheet a few inches above the lower fiddle block and pull upward with slight tension. This will help keep the slack lines clear of the lower block when you tack. Study the wave pattern astern and wait for a larger wave to pass beneath the keel. You want to make the tack in the smaller waves which follow behind a bigger wave. Head up fast and make the tack. Release the main sheet the moment the bow passes through the wind. Bear away to a deep broad reach. Use the jib as a guide. As soon as it goes limp, steer on the landmark or compass course. One note is when using this technique, concentrate on the release point of the falls. It's easy to forget and hold the main sheet too long, so open your hand as the boom swings past the center line. Now you know how to change course to the opposite tack in high winds by tacking your boat instead of jibing. Use easy tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.